Hi, I'm Randy Reid, editor of the EdisonReport, and we're here at LEDucation 2025. This is LightPitch. I'm here with Muneer Khan of ERALUX. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
You bet. Now, tell our audience a little bit about what you're displaying here at LEDucation.
So today we're going to go over our F2 product. So this is our higher end architectural linear, which is super customizable. You are able to cut it at any length you want. For example, standard sizes are 2 foot, 4, 6, 8. But you can cut it by the inch. Very, very customizable. Not only is it easy to install, because all you do is install the actual extrusion and then put in the light engine and the lens later on, but it has the standard sizes, it has custom shapes, and the name F2 comes because F2 is meant for fast to ship. So customizable fixture, but it's also very easily a very quick ship product.
Okay, where's your company based?
Montreal, Canada.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So tell our audience a little bit about your company, because I'm not familiar with it.
So ERALUX has been in the business for about like 8 years. So we're fairly new. We started off in the Canadian market, expanded a little bit in the Northeast, and then completely expanded all across the U.S. So we're everywhere, all across the U.S. We sell through agencies, reps. So we're pretty well known because of the fact that we have products that are similar to Tier 1 manufacturers, but we offer them at a much affordable price. So it's kind of like our motto now.
And fast shipping.
Yeah, correct.
Who's your rep here in New York?
Brazil Light Tech.
Okay, excellent. Yeah. Well, congratulations, and looks like a good product.
Thank you so much.